Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Learners. Today we will learn how to see how many people view your tweet, your post with the metrics of Twitter, of X. So this option is in your tweets. Is a option of official option of Twitter, of X. So the first step is go to your application of X, and after that you need to go to the superior left corner in this bubble of your profile, and after that you need to pick again here to go to your profile, and you need to you need to find a tweet you got. For example, here you need to pick here in the tweet, and after that you need to go to the option of view post activity, and here you got, if your post got you have too many followers, you got here the likes, the retweets, the quotes, the comments you got, the impressions, interactions. So this is here you got the metrics of all the people can do with your post, and that's it. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.